Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful leaf bag charm. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This leaf bag charm looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. To do this beautiful leaf bag charm, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch and reverse single crochet. So now let's see how to do this beautiful leaf bag charm. Start with the slip knot. Do 9 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 9 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After doing 9 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. You are going to do a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is what we say it as half double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next stitch, you're going to do triple crochet. 2 times yarn over. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is triple crochet. Next stitch, you're going to do 2 triple crochet. That is triple crochet increase. You will be doing 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, you are going to do 1 triple crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet. Next stitch, 1 half double crochet. This last stitch, you are going to do 3 single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. You are going to do 2 more stitches in the same stitch. So we have done 3 single crochet in the same stitch. So next you are going to work in this other side. You are going to repeat the same pattern what we did in this side. That is, we will be doing 1 half double crochet. Next 1 double crochet. Next 1 triple crochet. Next triple crochet increase. That is, you are going to do 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch triple crochet. Next stitch double crochet. Next stitch half double crochet. And you're going to do a slip stitch in this last stitch. So after doing them, the leaf looks like this. So for next round, do chain 1. You're going to do reverse single crochet for 9 stitches. So how to do a reverse single crochet? So insert the hook in the back side like this in the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop through the stitch. You'll have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as reverse single crochet. So you insert the hook in the backwards. Yarn over, pull through that loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as reverse single crochet. You're going to do them for 9 stitches. After doing them for 9 stitches, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1. You will skip this stitch and you are going to do the reverse single crochet in the next stitch. You are going to do reverse single crochet for 9 stitches. After doing them for 9 stitches, it looks like this. Next, turn your work here and you are going to do slip stitch in this middle. So the leaf looks like this. So by following the same pattern, you are going to do one more leaf. So now we are done with 2 leaves. Next we are going to join them together to form like the back charm. For that you are going to do 25 chain. After doing 25 chain, it looks like this. Take the other leaf and you are going to join them by doing a slip stitch. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next you can hide this tail using the needle. It looks like this.